Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we're going to solve Excel options grayed out problem. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Excel options grayed out using 5 fixes. Solution 1, restart the Excel application. Before trying any advanced solutions, it is recommended to once close and reopen your Excel application. Many users have found this method useful in their cases to overcome minor glitches or errors in Excel. Solution 2, unlock a protected Excel file with password. If you know the password of your locked Excel file, then it's tremendous. You can easily unprotect the protected workbook by entering the password and fix this problem. Here are 3 easy ways to do so. Way 1. Open your MS Excel file, locate a password protected sheet that you can see in the bottom of your sheet, and right tap on it. Next, select the unprotect sheet. Now enter the password. Way 2. Go to the Review tab in an open protected sheet. Then, click on the unprotect sheet. Now enter the password to disable it. Way 3. Go to a Home tab. Locate Cells section. Then, click on Format, Unprotect Sheet. Enter the password or click a button to unlock Excel files. Solution 3, update the Excel app to the latest version. Updating the Excel application to the latest version can even help you to fix Excel options grayed out issue. Open the Microsoft Excel. Click the File tab. Click the Account option. Click Update Options. And click Update Now to check for updates for the Office app and update it to the latest version. Solution 4, repair Microsoft Office. A corrupted or damaged Microsoft Office can also lead to Excel options grayed out problem. You can fix this by repairing the Microsoft Office files. For this, you have to close all running MS Office programs. Then, open the Control panel. Click Programs. Then Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Office. Right-click it and click Change. Select between Quick Repair and Online Repair. Then, click Repair. This repair process may take some time. Once done, check your Excel program and files for the error. Solution 5, use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve Excel options grayed out, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing Excel options grayed out issue in MS Excel. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.